Alright guys, good afternoon! Welcome to SwakTech. Dito sa SwakTech, nire-review natin yung mga budget phones or budget gadgets na swak sa ating budget, swak sa specs. Okay? So last January 23, nagkaroon ng big sale sa Shopee, CTNL Telecom. Online retailer siya ng mga cellphones or gadgets, based siya sa Hong Kong. Ngayon, sobrang matunog to sa mga Facebook groups nun. It so happened na one of my workmates sinabi niya sa akin na, sale si OnePlus 6, chassis 60. Try to check it. So nung chinek ko, wow. As far as I know, OnePlus 6 right now is around 28,000 sa Digital Walker. That's 128 gigs variant. Ngayon nung nakita ko si TNL sa Shopee, wow. Nung ginamitan ko pa siya nung voucher, 17,100 plus na lang yung binayaran namin. Okay? So let's start. Ito yung package as is. Nung dineliver sa amin ni To Go, naka-plastic siya. But of course, inopen na namin siya kasi syempre hindi siya COD. That's the problem. Kaya sobrang daming hesitant na bumili. Kasi they really want, syempre kahit naman sino gusto COD hanggat maaari. Pero wala. So in our case, binayaran namin siya via Cebuana. So, in-order namin siya ng 24, nabayaran siya ng 25, na-receive yung order ng 26. Then, it arrived February 2. So, binuksan namin siya, ma-receive namin kay Kuya To Go. Siyempre, kasi there was this instance sa group na in-order niya OnePlus 60. Pero, ang nakuha niya Pocophone. So, that's very unfortunate. In-advise na maganda i-open nyo, tapos videohan nyo, para at least may record kayo, makita rin mismo ng courier na yun nga yung na-receive nyo. But fortunately, we received the correct item. This is a 128 gigs variant, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs ROM or internal memory. Okay, let's start. Let's open it. Oh, by the way, kudos to TNL. Meron tayo very good, napakaganda nitong bubble wrap. Hindi ito yung usual na bubble wrap na meron yung pinuputok-putok. Hindi, sobrang sturdy niya. Hindi siya talaga puputok. Anyway, so this is the box. Wala siyang seal, as in, wala siyang plastic seal nung ma-receive namin. Ganito talaga siya. Nakaganto lang. Pero kung makikita nyo naman, sobrang linis. I mean, walang mga yupe. Yung box, maayos. So, let's open it. Okay, wow. Ito yun, napakaganda. Nakita ako ng OnePlus 6 Black, but this is the first time that I see a OnePlus 6 Red. Very shiny. It has the glass back cover, Gorilla Glass 5 front and back. So we can be sure na kahit pa paano cover siya or protected siya. Then ang kinagandaan dito, I'm not sure if nakikita nyo siya, pero it has pre-installed screen protector na. It has pre-installed screen protector. So, medyo okay naman as initial protection. It looks legit. It looks brand new. So, yeah. Mamaya, check pa natin tong unit itself. And for the box, we have box inside the box. Let's open this first siguro. Okay. So, ayun. So, nakakapanood din ako ng mga reviews. Sa lahat ng mga reviews nakita ko meron talagang default case na kasama. So it's very good. I was impressed na meron tayong free case na agad, clear case. So let's see kung ano itsura niya kapag kasuot yung case. Wow, look at this beauty, man. Ang ganda, man. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nung clear case. Pero di ko masabi kung gagamitin ko siya as daily driver kasi hindi siya ganun talaga kaganda aesthetics wise. Pero protected naman siya kasi kung makikita nyo naka-protrude to. Kumbaga parang nakaangat. And so protected yung screen itself. Tapos yung sa camera hindi siya lapat na lapat. Actually parang saktong-sakto siya since naka-bump yung yung camera. Medyo nakaangat siya. So medyo halos pantay or medyo labas pa ng konting camera. So definitely hindi ito yung, alam mo yun, daily case na gagamitin. Anyway, it has these manuals then, syempre, OnePlus warranty I think, I'm not sure. Basta Chinese siya. Hindi pa ako marunong magbasa ng Chinese eh. Then, sticker. Tapos SIM ejector tool or pin. Okay. So next is we have the default dash charger. Yan. Ever since nagkaroon ako ng OnePlus, hindi ko kinailangan ng power bank at all. Talagang as in saksak mo lang, napakaganda ng technology ng dash charge and of course dash charging cable. Okay, so that's it. That's the box. Yun na yung laman niya. So let's see, open na natin to. Right, I'm really excited on this one. Okay, so let's see. Nagbubut lang siya. Okay, so connected na siya. Alam mo, one of the concerns nung mga nag-order ng OnePlus 6 or any phones sa China is the ROM. Kasi there are two variants, meron global, meron China. China ROM usually doesn't have preloaded G apps or Google applications kasi bawal talaga sa China yon. So pag China, you don't have any choice kundi mag-install manually or i-flash yung G apps. Sa part ni OnePlus, the OS that they call na global ROM is the Oxygen OS. So dapat Oxygen OS to kasi sabi rin sa ad, Oxygen OS to. Let's hope. But look at the screen. It's very red. Yan. Ako, fan ako nung theme. Ang ganda ang pagka-red niya. For me, ganda. So let's see sa settings kung Oxygen OS niya. A6000 variant, so that's China variant. Magkakatalo pa rin yan sa OS. Okay? So let's see about phone OnePlus 6. And it's an Oxygen OS. As you can see, ayan, Oxygen OS siya. Kaya kung makikita nyo nga siya sa initial startup ng screen, meron ng preloaded na G-apps or Google Play Store. So that's good. And isa rin sa concern is ito, kung talagang totoo siya as advertised, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 GB of storage. So you delivered as promised. That's good kasi sobrang dami talagang nagtataka. Bakit ang mura? Refurbished ba siya? Second hand ba siya? Bakit sobrang mura? Well, I'm not really sure kung bakit. Pero as far as I know, it's legit. TNL delivered as its promised. Sobrang mura, sobrang swak sa budget. Imagine, 27,990 to sa official na stores. But we just bought it for 17,100 plus. Sobrang laking tipid. However, meron pa rin talagang disadvantages buying dun sa mga super mura kumbaga. Of course, swak siya sa budget, swak siya sa specs, but the question is, swak ba talaga siya in the long run? Cons niya is wala siyang warranty. Yeah, sobrang hassle nun kung tutuusin. Kung talagang nasira yung phone mo within, let's say, a year or a month, ang kaya lang i-offer ng Shopee na warranty is, I think, 3 days warranty lang siya or 7 days guarantee. Na after mo ma-receive yung item, hindi nila agad i-release yung payment. Actually, tinanong namin si TNL how's the warranty? I can post the screenshot dito sa video na to. Ang sabi nila, no warranty kasi cross-border seller daw sila, meaning nagbebenta sila in different parts of the world. The only warranty you have is the 7th day warranty, which is, ang process pala ni Shopee is hinuhold niya muna yung payment, hindi niya agad nire-release sa seller unless you receive it via Shopee app na parang confirming you receive the item in good condition, walang problem, etc. So pag ni-receive mo yon, order received, no refund at all. So yun lang yung disadvantage. But if you buy sa mga official resellers, let's say Digital Walker or some of the online resellers out there, you have warranty. That's one of the drawback. kapag bibili ka online. Siyempre, tayo dito sa SwakTech. Doon lang tayo sa mga swak na mga gadgets. Ako nag-start ako buying mga second-hand phones. Actually, hanggang ngayon naman bumibili ako second-hand phones. Nasa paggamit pa rin talaga yan. So, I cannot say na porke brand new siya, hindi siya masisira, or second-hand siya, masisira na siya. It doesn't work that way. So, let's do our verdict. Okay? So, 1 plus 6 worth 17,100. Swak ba siya? SwakTech says yes, swak na swak. But kailangan mo alagaan na mabuti dahil wala siyang warranty. Okay? But still, TNL Telecom is a legit store. Cheap, legit, complete, and working units. I can say that it's brand new. Wala siyang bumps or anything or any scratch at all. Sa mga nag-iisip kung legit ba si TNL or scam, since wala siyang COD, kailangan mo bayaran ka agad, natatakot ka dahil magpapakawala ka ng pera, malaki-laking pera, huwag po kayong matakot. Medyo matagal ang delivery, 7 to 10 days sa iba, pero it's legit. So kung ang question lang natin, legit ba si TNL? Yes, it's legit. Kung gusto nyo ng phone na swak sa budget, swak ang specs, go to TNL, I think. And kapag ka meron kang voucher, mas bababa pa talaga yung price. This is not in any way sponsored by TNL ha. Gusto ko lang linawin kasi na-receive ko talagang unit na talagang okay na okay. Kaya gusto ko lang i-clear sa lahat, i-share sa lahat na TNL is legit. So you can order, you can pay upfront, and they will deliver. Okay? Till next time mga kaswak. Next time we will review some swak items pa, some swak gadgets pa. Okay, then we will have a quick review din ng ating binili kasi syempre quick unboxing lang din naman to eh. Install ko pa siya ng mga apps, ilalaro ko pa siya, gagamitin ko pa yung camera to see it's really working. So stay tuned guys. Okay, bye-bye. Swak na swak guys, swak na swak.